Hello friends, in this session we will be learning another data structure, that is dictionaries in Python. As we already seen the remaining data structures like lists, tuples, sets, okay, in previous sessions. Now we will discuss about dictionaries. A dictionary is nothing but a collection of elements which are unordered, as well as they can be changed after creation, that is mutable, and also they are indexing with a key value, not a number. Like other data structures like list and tuples, we are accessing the elements by using index number. But here the index is nothing but a key value. Okay. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys as well as corresponding values. Next, the syntax of a dictionary is key and its corresponding value, and key its corresponding value, so on. For example, if you consider a book, it's a nothing but a dictionary. Book have a book name, it's a key value, and the value of book name is C, and another key value is other name, which is another item, Dennis Rich. Similarly, another item which is a key value year, and year 1972 is a value. Okay, so each key corresponding having a value. Prati key ki corresponding ka value ni represent chestam. Tuples can be used also as a keys, but lists cannot be used as keys because tuples are immutable. We cannot be modified. Keys modify అవ్వకూడదు కదా. ఒకసారి మీరు కీ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు అంటే దట్ కెనాట్ బి చేంజ్డ్. సో టపుల్స్ కెనాట్ బి చేంజ్డ్ కాబట్టి టపుల్స్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ కీ వాల్యూస్. లిస్ట్ కెనాట్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ కీ వాల్యూస్ బికాస్ లిస్ట్స్ ఆర్ మ్యూటబుల్. యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ క్రియేషన్. కాబట్టి మనం లిస్ట్ ని కీ వాల్యూ కింద యూజ్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. వీ కెన్ యూజ్ టపుల్స్ యాజ్ ఏ key values. Okay. Next, go to Python IDE. Let's create our own dictionary. Okay. For example, I want to create a student dictionary. So, student is equal to student name, student number SNO, and having number 101. Similarly, student name is a key value and name is something Bharti, and college name which is KBN. Okay, so this is the student dictionary. Okay, now you want to see the contents, then it is nothing but student. Okay, so student has key values SNO, S name, and college name, and the corresponding elements are 101, and the name is Bharati and college is KBN. Okay, now you can find how many items in your dictionary, that is length of student. It will display 3 items. Okay, next, if you want to see the key values, what are the key values of student dictionary, then you can use student.keys. It will display only the key values. What are the key values? Student number, name, college name. Okay, similarly student.items. So mm items unnai, SNO 101, S name Bharati, college name is KBN. Okay, similarly if you want to see only the values, typing mistake, values, it will display the values of a dictionary. Okay, next, similarly you can update the values because these are immutable. Now I am changing my number 101 to 102, student number. Okay, so then the dictionary is student of SNO is equal to 102. So then you can check it out. So previously the student number is 101. If I want to change it as 102, simply you can give it is, because dictionaries are mutable. We can modify after creation. Okay. Similarly, if you want to remove an element, and also you want to copy an element, first we can copy this into another one. Suppose I want to copy in student 1, simply student dot copy. Simply it will copy the content. Student and student 1 both are same. Now I want to delete an element, pop off. So you have to give the key value. For example, I am giving the key value 102. Oh, sorry. So that 102 element will be removed. Okay. So now you can check it. Student 1, it has only student name and college name. Similarly, you can pop an item. Student 1 dot pop item. Then it will pop an item. Okay. And the recently added item edaithe untundo, that will be removed. Next, student 1 you can display. It will contain only one key element. Okay. So again, if you want to add one more key element into your dictionary, then simply student 1, again you can add SNO is equal to 105. Student 1, S name I can remove it. S name is equal to, student 1, S name is equal to something Johit. Then you can display student 1. Student name is Johit and SNO is 105. Again you want to add college name also. Student 1 of college name is equal to college. Again you can print student 1. It display the items. Okay. Similarly, you can keys. What are the keys and what are the values? Those can be converted into list also. Okay. Let me show that. List 1, for example, I am taking a list 1. List of my dictionary name is student 1 dot keys. I am converting the keys of student dictionaries into a list. Then you can take list 1 is, so list 1 manaki square brackets lo vachestunది చూడండి. Key values anni list ga మారిపోతాయి. Similarly, list 2 is equal to list of student 1 dot values. Values ni kuda again I want to convert into list. So list 2 print cheyandi again. Johit 105 KBN college. Okay, that is one more list. Similarly, items ni kuda meeru convert it into list. List of student 1 dot items. Again print list 3. So list 3 kuda again it will be converted as list. Okay. So atla malli meer list ga convert chesukovali anukunna you can convert it. Okay. So dictionaries are mutable. Each key corresponding a value. Okay. Suppose if you want to delete completely, so delete for example student 1, automatically student 1 deleted. If you want to print student 1, it gives not defined error. So we are not delete student, so it will be displayed. Again, if you want to this dictionary also, again you can delete student, so that is also deleted. Thank you.